how to link my EA account to Twitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can link your EA account to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically link your EA account to Twitch, open your browser and then just go to ea.com/twitch linking. I repeat, ea.com/twitch linking. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to ea.com/twitch linking, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you have to make sure that you are logged into your Twitch account and that you are also logged into your EA account. So I'll just go ahead and quickly sign in to my EA account here as well. So once you basically sign in to both your Twitch as well as your EA account, it will take you to the page where you can simply go ahead and then actually link your account over here. So you can tap the link accounts option to link your EA to Twitch. This way you can link your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.